hearing.
Okay.
But I did send him the links.
Okay. Court will begin here with or resume with the June 8th, 2022 docket. And I have here number 3, CR 20-00998D, Carlos Nicolas Ortiz. It's a restitution hearing or status hearing. Ms. Cantu, good morning. Any announcement on this one?
Judge, the state has attempted to contact the victim. They were notified of today's hearing. At this time, we have not heard back. So the state will be requesting that restitution be set at 0.
All right, then it'll be 0 restitution for CR 20-00998D, Carlos Nicolas Ortiz.
I'm sorry, Judge, you froze. Oh, okay. Sorry, did I miss something? We froze there. Can you hear me?
I can hear you. I think Judge is just frozen for a second.
Mr. Martinez, this is Rick, the bailiff. We're having some technical difficulties right now, okay? Stand by.
Can you hear me?
We could hear you.
Okay. I didn't see the judge.
They're having some technical difficulties. They'll be right back.
What was your name? I'm sorry.
I'm Kelsey Cantu. I'm the new prosecutor in County Court 4.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Good morning, ladies.
Good morning.
Good morning, Mr. Ramirez.
Chantel, good morning.
Good morning. Mr. Martinez. Judge, you're muted.
Thank you. Welcome back, everybody. We had some technicalities, so I hope we can remain here. Once again, we're here on the June 8th, 2022 docket, and we just got through with Mr. Martinez's case, which was CR 20-00988D, Carlos Nicolas Ortiz, and according to the as per state, 0 restitution. So you're excused, Mr. Martinez. Have a good day, okay, sir?
Thank you, sir. You look good, Your Honor.
All right, you look better.
Bye-bye.
All right, let's see. All right, let me see here. We got Mr. Ramirez. Let me see here. We're waiting on Daniel Montes.
Mr. Unmute and video.
Okay, Mr. Montes, you need to unmute and we need some video.
All right, Your Honor, I'm at work. Let me get to a quiet place. Thank you.
Okay. That's the beauty of Zoom, because you can do a plea from people who are at work and they don't necessarily have to go to court. And I think there's Mr. Montes. Okay, good morning, Mr. Montes. We have a plea, right, sir?
That's correct, Judge.
Yes.
All right, please raise your right hand. You swear the testimony you're about to give will be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, your case, CR 18-15-137D, Daniel Godino Montes. You're charged DWI Class B misdemeanor. It carries a potential penalty of up to 180 days in jail and not more than a $2,000 fine upon conviction. You understand that?
Yes, Your Honor.
You understand that you're entitled to a jury trial, you're entitled to an appeal, and that you waived those two rights?
Yes.
Have you ever been declared mentally incompetent?
No.
You understand that the court does not have to follow the recommendation after you give a plea?
Yes.
And what is your plea, sir? Guilty or not guilty?
Yes,
Guilty?
yes, sir.
All
Yes,
right.
Your Honor.
Are you pleading guilty freely and voluntarily?
Yes.
All right. State.
State offers plea documents and offense reports as States Exhibit 1, notification and certification of defendant's right of appeal as States Exhibit 2, waiver of Article 39.14 disclosures as States Exhibit 3, and waiver of risk and needs assessment as States Exhibit 4. The state also requests that defense counsel stipulate to the venue and jurisdiction of this honorable court. The state further requests that defense counsel stipulate to the fact that all evidence which has been e-filed is sufficient to corroborate today's plea of guilty.
No objection, so stipulate, Judge.
Without objection, so admitted. It'll be the judgment of the court. The defendant is guilty as charged. And a recommendation, state?
The state's recommendation is a $300 fine, court costs, 180 days probated for 10 months, an alcohol class, 20 community service hours, 90-day Texas driver's license suspension, and an interlock ignition device for 5 months.
For 5 months, which is half of the period of the probation.
Yes.
Yes, sir, Mr. Ramirez, is that the understanding?
Judge, if we could waive the CSR hours, he does work. The suspension, if it can run with the administrative and the alcohol device, if it can be waived. It's not his first arrest, but it's his first DWI. It's a Class B. He's not above the .15. There was no accident.
Okay. Court will hereby waive the community hours. The 90-day suspension is to run concurrent with any administrative suspension. And then court will hereby waive the interlock device. All right, that'll be your judgment, Mr. Montes. Good luck with your probation and take care, okay, sir?
Thank you, Your Honor. I'm sorry that this happened, but I appreciate you guys helping me out.
All right, you take it easy, okay? Good luck with your probation.
Thank you, sir.
Anything else, Mr. Ramirez?
No, Judge, that's it.
All right, have a great day, sir. Your excuse.
All right, thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, Mr.
Mr. Weiss.
Ramirez.
Mr. Weiss says number 4,
Number 4.
number 6, number 7, and number 8.
I'm sorry, 4, 7, and 8.
Yes, it should be an announcement.
Okay, okay. All right, Mr. Weiss.
This will be a compliance hearing, and this is the gentleman that is in and out of the mental hospital, I believe. If I remember correctly.
Okay, and
We're
we got
supposed to get us proof.
number 7, number 8. Okay, let's see, Mr. Weiss.
It's connecting.
You want to see the agenda?
Sure. Cecilia Garza. She has
Miss Cecilia.
number
Garza.
5.
Here's number 5.
No, her client. Logged in.
Oh, we're supposed to hear some testimony from an alleged victim here. You know what, Mr. Weiss already in? Mr. Weiss, one moment, Ms. Garza. Mr. Miguel Weiss.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning. CR 2101 083D. That'll be Miguel Angel Garcia. Plus.
Yes, Your Honor, I have, it's docket number 4, 7, and 8.
Right, and the other one, CR 2107 471D, and number 8, CR 2107 472D. Yes, sir. What do we have on this one? What's the announcement?
Well, the announcement is, I guess we need a resetting. Mr. Garcia is back at the state hospital. He's in and out of the state hospital. He's schizophrenic. I've sent the pertinent documents to the ADA.
Okay.
Hoping we can, work something out other than giving him jail time. He doesn't deserve to be in jail. He's got a mental illness. So, speaking with his brother yesterday, he's back in. If he's not there, he's at the behavioral center. He's just, unfortunately, the young man, the gentleman just has mental health issues.
Reset data.
We can do December 7th, and that'll give him time to see if they can work something out.
Okay, we'll set it for December 7th,
Great.
9 o'clock, 9 o'clock, December 7th. But between now and then, see what you can work out with the state, okay, sir?
Will do. Thank you, Your Honor.
Because
That's all I
if
have.
you,
It was-
okay,
Thank
hopefully
you.
you'll work it out, and then if you do, we'll bump it up. So we won't have to wait till December 7th, okay?
Okay. Thank you.
All right, thank you.
Ms. Garza's client is not in the waiting room.
All right, Ms. Garza, good morning.
Good morning, Judge. Yes, I have number 5 on your docket. I have not been able to make contact with my client, Judge. I know that the last time Veronica Martinez appeared before the court, she was in jail at the time. It doesn't look like we have updated contact information from her. So we
Okay,
spent
let me
yesterday
ask-
afternoon and today trying to use every number we have. And then I'm hoping getting a hold of her will get us a hold of the victim, because it's my understanding from the ADA's office that they don't have contact information for her
Okay.
either.
I was gonna ask for the victim as well, Mirna Cavazos. No contact from the victim. Well, first of all, the defendant, and neither from the victim. All right, so then court will at this time, thanks for that announcement. Then court will do an ISA on this one on CR 21-01-270, the Michelle Alexis Garces. NISA for right now, and let's see what we can find quickly, okay?
Okay, thank you, Your Honor. May I be excused?
Yes, ma'am. Have a good day. Bye-bye.
You too. Bye-bye.
Gentlemen's name.
All right, we have a gentleman here in the blue shirt.
Please turn.
He needs to unmute. Yeah, you need to unmute so we can hear you.
Okay,
Yes, sir. Good morning. What's your name?
Randy Hernandez, Your Honor.
Randy Hernandez. And your attorney is?
It was Mr. Joe Bravo, but he's not there no more, sir.
Correct. He's not there no more. You're right. You have a number?
Number 15, it's a compliant.
Oh, number 15. All right, I got you here. CR 22-02-198D, Randy Rodriguez Hernandez.
Correct, Your Honor.
All right, except for compliance, what was it about? That you were supposed to get proof for the earlock device?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, and did you get it?
I haven't, sir. I have $52. All I need is just $52 more to get it. All I need is maybe a week or a couple days just to get it, sir, because I'm sorry, Your Honor. I'm not even gonna lie.
Okay. But you understand that if you're gonna get the money, that's just for the installation, right? And then monthly you gotta pay a certain amount of money. So
I understand, Your Honor. I'm only working 3 hours a day, sir. That's
Okay.
my only job as a provider. But I have $52 saved up for it.
okay, let me see if I can get a date here.
Excuse me, Your Honor.
One moment. Okay, Rachel, how does it look on Wednesday?
Wednesday, we have civil at 9, 10, and at 2.
Okay. Civil 9, 10, and 2. Okay.
Sir, Your
Yes,
Honor.
sir.
May I say something, please?
Yes.
Okay, I have $52 right now, and I get paid this coming it's supposed to be the 16th, but I get it paid like one day before. Would I be able to get it on the 15th, sir? So
Yeah, let me find a date to reset it, and then
Yes, Your Honor.
Rach, the week of the 20th.
The 20th, Wednesday, June the 22nd, we have at 11 o'clock, we have criminal. June 22nd at 11.
All right, June 22nd, 11 o'clock. Okay, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sir, Your Honor.
Yeah, we'll reset it for June 22nd, 11 o'clock.
Let me write that down, please. Just give me a minute.
June 22nd.
At 11 o'clock? Is that when I have court again, sir?
Right. Look, June 22nd, 11 o'clock. You must show proof, okay, sir?
Yes, Your Honor. Thank you so much.
Because
Thank you,
if
sir.
I don't see proof, your bond will be revoked, and then you'll have to go to jail. So please,
No.
please work on it, okay?
I have $52 saved up
Okay.
for it. Thank you.
All right, thank you. All right, good luck with that.
Bless you.
Thank you. What you gonna do? What are we gonna get next? Mendoza. All right, then court will continue here with the June 8th, 2022 docket. CR 21-13-106D, Jose Antonio Mendoza. He is connecting right now. That's number 12. He is connecting right now. All right, can you hear me, Mr. Mendoza?
No audio.
We need some audio.
No, he needs to unmute.
All right, you need to unmute. So there you go. Can you hear me?
Yes.
All right, your case. By the way, your attorney Billy Joe Chapa is not going to show up. He's busy right now. But you're here, and it's CR 21-13-106D, Jose Antonio Mendoza. The problem you have here is that it's an eyesight that you have, and we're gonna have to recall it now because you already showed up. So recall the nice. We're gonna recall the eyesight, take away the arrest warrant, and we're
He
going.
has other cases that are already set for June 7th of 2023 at 9 a.m.
June 7th?
At 2023.
Oh, that's right.
At 9 a.m.
All right.
And Mr. Mendoza needs to call his attorney. I believe the attorney is having issues in locating him.
Did you hear that, Mr. Mendoza?
Yes, Your Honor.
That your attorney is having problems looking for you. So you need to call your attorney, okay? Call the office.
Right now,
we're gonna withdraw the eyesight, and your cases are set for June 7th, 2023, 9 a.m.
He has other cases pending.
Yeah, there's other cases that are already set for June 7th. So even this one, CR 21-13-106D, will also be set for June 7th, 2023. Hopefully, you and your attorney can work something out with the state, and we'll bump it up, okay?
All right.
All right, but call your attorney. He's looking for you.
All right.
All right, your excuse.
Okay, we can go back to number 2. That's going to be a nice side.
Let's go number 2. Number 2, CR 19-14-303D, Roberto Carlos Rivera. I don't see him in the waiting room. Staff, nobody made a phone call on his behalf?
And he's got
No,
two
sir.
others. He's got number 10 and number 11. And this is already going to be like the 3rd or the 4th reset on his compliance.
And also, he was supposed to do AIP judge, and they couldn't get a hold of him either. He did not respond.
Okay, we're gonna get a nice eye on him on CR 19-14-303D, which number?
10 and 11.
CR 21-12-229D, CR 21-12-230D, all of them Roberto Carlos Rivera, nice eye.
And number 13 is a restitution.
Number 13, restitution. We have CR 21-14-140D, Mike Hernandez Garcia. I don't see him in the waiting room, but I can ask the state here. On this case, any restitution, state?
Judge, the victim was notified of today's hearing. We have not heard from the victim at this time. The state will be requesting that restitution be set at 0.
All right, it'll be 0 restitution as per state.
And then number 16, also restitution, David Sandoval Jr.
For 16. Number 16, CR 2202-935D, then David Sandoval Jr. Also restitution. Any news here, state?
Judge, we were in contact with the victim. The victim did not incur any out-of-pocket expenses from the incident, so the state will be requesting that restitution be set at 0.
It'll be 0 restitution as per state.
And then the last two restitutions are number 17 and number 18, Jose Luis Gomez, and he is currently in custody on a new charge.
Okay, but let's see if there's any restitution for this one here. CR 2204-333D and CR 2204-334D also set for restitution. Any news on this one, state?
The announcement is the same on both, Judge. We were attempting to contact the victim. We did not hear back. We will be requesting that restitution be set at 0.
It'll be 0 restitution. Okay.
Ted Lopez just came in. His client says 0 restitution.
Okay. 0 restitution.
And number 15 was reset.
Okay, let's look at Mr. Lopez. Let's see here. What number, Mr. Lopez?
Number 15, Randy Hernandez was reset for June 22nd.
All right, let me do that one here. All right, good morning, Mr. Lopez.
Morning, Judge.
Mr. Lopez, your case, one of them here is CR 2202-198D, Randy Hernandez.
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, we gave him a reset day. He already showed up. We gave him a reset day for June 22nd, 11 a.m.
Yes, Your Honor.
And then he also has number 13, Mike Garcia, 0 restitution.
For the compliance. Number what, 13?
Number 13.
Let's look at number 13 here. CR 2114-140D, Mike Hernandez Garcia. We called it up earlier, 0 restitution.
And he also has number 16.
All right. We have another one, Mr. Lopez.
Yes, Your Honor.
By the way, Mr. Ted Lopez is representing the public defenders. Yes, Mr. Ted Lopez for public defender. CR 2202-935D, David Sandoval Jr. On that one, also set for restitution hearing, and as per state, 0 restitution. Anything else?
That'll take care of this.
I think that'll do it, Mr. Lopez.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you, sir. Your excuse. Have a good day.
Have a great day.
Bye-bye. Right now? All right, this one here? Call for. Okay. Anybody else? Okay, that's